Rule number 33. Equipment for sound signals. A vessel of 12 meters or more in length shall be provided with a whistle and a bell, and a vessel to 100 meters or more in length shall in addition provided with a gong and the tone and sound of which cannot be confused with the of with that of the bell, the whistle. Rule number 34. Paragraph and anchor. Maneuvering and wearing signals. When vessels are in sign of one another, a power drive vessels underway when maneuvering as authorized or required by these rules shall indicate that maneuver by the following signals on her whistle. Rule number 35. Sound signals in restrict visibility. In or near an area of restricted visibility, whether by day or night, the signals described in the rules shall be used as following. A power drive vessels making way throughout the water shall sound at intervals or not more than the 2 minutes one prolonged blast. A power drive vessels underway but stop and making no throughout the water shall sound at intervals or of not more than 2 minutes to prolong blast in succession with an interval of about 2 seconds between them. Rule number 36. Signals to attract attention. If necessary to attract the attention of another vessels, any vessels make light or sound unauthorized elsewhere in the rules, or many direction them of the searchlight in way as not embraces any vessels. Another vessel shall be such that it cannot be mistaken for any aid to navigation. For the purpose of these rules, the use of high intensity, intermittent, or revolving lights such as strobe light shall be avoided. Rule number 37. Distress signals. When the vessel is in the decrease and requires assistance, she shall use or exhibit the signals described in Annex to these regulations. Rule number 38. Exception. Any vessels or class or vessels, provided the complies with the requirements of the international regulation for preventing collision at sea 1960, the keel of which is laid or which is the corresponding stage of constructions before the entry into force of these regulations may be except for compliance therewith of follows. These installations of lights with range prescribed in Rule 22 until 4 years after the date of entry into force of these regulations.